Hello everyone, I'm Paul and today we're solving problem 3304, find the kth character in string game 1. This is easy and the solution for this one is pretty straightforward, so let's start. There's a string word which is a initially and we're given a positive integer k. And we need to do the following. Let's say k is 5. We'll take this string word which is initially a and we will add here this same string, but we are replacing each character with the next character in the alphabet. So in this case we are doing a plus b, so we get a b. And we can do this same operation again and again forever. So if we take this word and we do the operation, we need to add the next character after A, meaning B, and the next character after B, meaning C. So we get A, B, B, C. Now let's say we do the operation one more time, so we need to add here the next character after A, meaning B, 2 C's, and 1 D. So we get A, B, B, C, B, C, C, D. And our job here is this. We need to return the kth character after enough operations. So k in this case is 5, meaning we need to return 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 this character. So we just return B. Now this is very important also. If at some point we step into a C, we need to transform this into an A. So this is circular. We go from C to A again. Now down here we have the constraints and we know that k is smaller or equal to 500. This means that we can run a simulation here. We can do exactly what the problem requires in a simulation. So we will start with the string A and we will do the operation an infinite number of times until the length of the string is greater or equal to k, and then we break the loop and we return the string at k minus 1. So this is basically the entire approach, and this will require time complexity of big O of k. So now let's go with the code. So we'll do our simulation. The result is initially word, meaning the character A, and now we will say while the length of the result is smaller than k, we will do a copy of the result, so we'll call this car for current. This equals to a copy of the result. And now for I in range length of current, if current at I equals the last character, meaning C, current at I equals A, else current at I equals the code for current at I. So we take the code like this, and we need to add 1 to take the next character in the alphabet, and we need to transform this into a character again. And after this we add to result this array current, and finally we return result at k minus 1. So this is it for the code. Now let's submit this and see if it works. As you can see, this works. So if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.